Today we're going to be going over a Cheat Shuriken True Hyper for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the 4th hyper kick for level 2.7. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your pop katana True Hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. And this move is basically identical to the Cheat Shuriken Snap Hyper that we did earlier, but we're going to be landing on the kicking leg instead of both legs at the same time. And this is a good one to learn because it is your first step into Shuriken True Hyper moves. So eventually this will build up to moves like Shuriken Corks and Shuriken Twists. But obviously this is more directly related to vert kicks and flips. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance. You're going to bring your cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent, jump around 180 degrees, landing on the kicking leg, finishing the move in a frontside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this move with a spin in the beginning, you can do it with a follow through at the end, or you can do it with a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to all of those because later on when we combo hyper moves, you're gonna want to know how to do these. As for tips, you just wanna kind of consider tucking in the non-kicking leg when you throw your kick around. It doesn't have to tuck in a lot, just slightly, so you can actually get that kick around a little bit easier. Otherwise it will make it kind of difficult, especially in the beginning, to get that kicking leg through and land on just that kicking leg. Sometimes you might accidentally land with both legs at the same time, so tucking that leg in does help a lot. And as for progressions, you obviously want to make sure that you have your Cheat Shuriken Snap Hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. And I'm curious, what moves do you think this move is going to help you out with later on in the curriculum? Leave your comments down below and let me know. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this curriculum. If you're finding this curriculum helpful, please leave a thumbs up on this video. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, uprise even in the rain. Huh, babe? Even in the rain.